Good day, everybody. We're taking you up to Union Pass, Wyoming. We're going over 9,200 feet, and we're going to Lake of the Woods. And this is a steep, it's hard to tell, but it's a steep, mountainous road that requires four-wheel drive. We hope you enjoy the content. Please watch to the end. So my four-wheel drive is actually going to have to
do four-wheel drive.
Do I need to shift it in, or just a four high auto is okay?
Usually four auto is okay. You can lock it in to where that way it doesn't want to, if you just go to four high lock, and then that way it doesn't have to shift back and forth, which pretty much all your stuff is going to have to be.
We brought that Julie up here and camped out. Did we sleep in the back of the truck or
No, we slept in the tent.
Camping out in a trailer is too camping for Jai.
Huh?
Camping out in a trailer is too camping for Jai. A tent would be out of the question.
So when did they do a trail around this?
It was like when we brought Manly up and all that.
Yeah.
There, because they shut down where we couldn't go around it with the ATVs anymore. And then started walking around up at the top end. Started walking around up there, and
there was ice in this water.
That's where they had it all blocked off, and the culvert going through to where you could get onto their trail.
This is the most off the road this pickup has been.
Well,
break it in right.
Like
After
I
all,
said,
it's a Ford and it's four-wheel drive.
that's her. Now you can get up there, but it's like
Well, she just said it was just a dirt road. She didn't say it was
a dirt four-wheel drive road.
A mountain four-wheel drive road.
Yeah. Well, it's a mountain four-wheel drive road.
Well, in Wyoming it's very different.
Well, yeah, we were on a dirt road. That was the kind of four-wheel this truck has done before.
Yep. Run through all these mud puddles, you're going to have to make Carol wash your truck.
I know.
I tried to say no.
I got a hose at home.
Yeah, the hose is where you're going to hose your hubby to make him go out and do it.
It'll survive till we get home to the car wash.
I was trying to harass her.
Oh, this is very pretty.
Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah.
But we've seen moose in here before driving.
Yeah, that's what that little pond back there, I mean, that, whatever you call it, I guess pond. I was looking at that to see around it.
Yeah, just this part of the drive will be a good video.
Huh?
Just this part of the drive will be a good video.
Yep.
Thing. This is one of the major roads in Wyoming. So if you guys don't like driving
Yeah,
stuff
this is
like
the
this,
this is one
stay
of the main
away.
this is one of the main highways.
Yeah.
Smooth, really
Wait
wide,
till you
good
see the
kind of stuff.
backcountry road.
All this stuff up here, like all this on the side, it's the wet and the marshy looking stuff.
Hmm.
And you got meadows back on the other side of the lake that are just like that. They got like marshy pond. That's what I was telling you. They had like meadows with marshy ponds all through it.
So Dale, Bobby saw on Google when he looked up Lake of the Woods
Mm-hmm.
where it said that walk was an 11-minute walk.
No.
Two
It said
miles.
2 miles and 11 minutes.
Yeah.
I'm going, no, you ain't going to do it.
No, you
Ain't
can't
no
even
way.
run on a track. You're not running 2 miles in 11 minutes. Not the majority of the people.
And you already seen what the country's like. So
Yeah.
it's like,
I can see.
Yeah, you ain't doing it. 11
I
minutes.
can see how there could be potentially a 200-foot elevation change from one end to the other as you're doing it. If you got to go up and around stuff.
Yeah, but not like when you're doing the waterfalls, not you're going straight down.
No. And it didn't say that. It just said a 200-foot elevation change on the trail.
But we should be getting close to where we're coming around to where you can, everything will,
Me and Jai
Get a
did a
little better.
200-foot elevation change in about 100 feet going to the waterfall in Rancho Cucamonga. That baby was steep. A moderate hike.
Is this testing out your four-wheeling skills?
No, it's lubricating everything.
Yeah.
I've been so smooth, your ice chests haven't moved an inch.
Actually, you're not doing too bad. I really liked it when we camped up here.
swirl.
Just so beautiful and away from everything.
Except the bear.
Well, we didn't see a bear up here.
I don't mean that.
No,
One morning there, I went out here in the evening and I on the quad hunting. I went, well, there's a lot of fresh elk track and everything else going on this.
I
think it was a burn road
I
that they
think we might
cut in there. Well, okay. And that was at the bottom end of the lake. I went, okay. Walking around there, checking it all out, and I said, well, I'm going to come up here first thing in the morning. Well, I come up there the first thing in the morning, parked the quad, and I didn't even get 10 steps out there, and I'm going, holy shit. Damn bear track, I could spread my hand out, and it still went all the way around. I went, yeah.
You carry
That
a
thing's
pencil,
been
Bobby?
in here real recent.
No,
I don't
don't
think I
even
want to
know
go into that black timber.
Would this be black timber?
This is getting, this is getting pretty
to
close.
Black timber.
This is road going through black timber, but it's like,
All of that, this thick back there, you can't hardly see.
Oh yeah.
that's what I call black timber. It's like, yeah, you got to find you a trail one way, and then you got to try and see something. My elk slayer. If I remember it right, this thing goes over and then it drops down into the lake.
I was wanting to Dale to bring the camper up here to camp out.
I don't know about that.
And that's what he said. You ain't getting a camper up there.
Yeah. Yeah, you'd be high centered on a couple of those dips we
Yeah.
just went through. Oh, there it is.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's a little bit bigger around than I thought it was.
Yeah, I'm saying You ain't walking around that whole lake.
And I'm saying, you know, like even at 2 miles, I think they kind of underestimated that just a little bit.
Yeah, I'm not thinking you're walking around that whole lake in 11 minutes.
Because there's a road that goes around this way a little bit, and you can go around it.
This is a pretty enough spot to fly the drone. It's pretty around this lake.
Isn't that a beautiful little lake?
Yeah.
And Manley's youngest, he's colorblind.
Lake of the Woods is a mountain lake in Wyoming. It's located upstream from Grassy Lake along the Ashton Flag Ranch Road. The lake lies in Targhee National Forest between the southern border of Yellowstone National Forest and the northern border of Grand Teton National Forest. Primary access is from Ashton, Idaho, or the Flag Ranch, Wyoming, in the John D. Rockefeller Jr. Memorial Parkway. It's a lovely place. I would recommend you to go see it, but it's about a 4-hour drive from where we started out in Riverton, Wyoming, just to get up to where this video starts out.
Hey pretty baby, am I in your way? 'Cause you walked out so fast yesterday. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. Hey, little lady said you feel the same, but I don't believe a word you say. 'Cause I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. So tell me what you want, tell me how you want it. Tell me all the reasons that you're running away. I don't think you're here to stay. No, I don't think you're here to stay. No, no, no. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I feel like you're lying, trying to be real, but you seem so fake. I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I'm so over trying to move on, but you're in my way. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with you. I just wanna dance all night, forget my problems, I might go insane. I don't really give a damn what they say. And now you know it. I just wanna be with you. I just wanna be with you, yeah. I just wanna be with you. Yeah, I just wanna be with
made it this long, we appreciate you sticking around with us. If you like this content, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. Helps our channel and it doesn't cost you anything. Thank you for joining us. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going.